Hello guys, today I want to share with you my New York Open trade on the S&P mini futures. So we have the mini futures chart on the daily, on the weekly, and as we can see, uh, the price cap retraced to the 50% of its last move on the weekly. So let's mark it up, and we can expect some volatility on around this level. What else we can see on the weekly chart? We can see that here we have weekly open and close gap. So let's mark that up too. And we can see how exactly the price come back to the gap and jump back right back up. So maybe there's another reason for us to see a sideways here. And also today we have this week is non-farm payroll. So usually on non-farm payroll weeks we have a lot of sideways because of the non-farm payroll. And let's see what else we have. On the daily we have fair value gap, which was filled yesterday. Let's mark it up here. And it's filled exactly to the point where the fair value gap starts. And also we have jump back up. Let's go to the 4 hours. On the 4 hours we can see that we have fair value gap which is not touched yet above the price. So let's mark it up, and right now I'm thinking that maybe we can have a retracement up to here at the fair value gap before we continuing down, or maybe just sideways. So right now I'm thinking that we can see some upside, so my bias is to the up. Let's go on the 1 hour. On the 1 hour we can see that we have take this sell side liquidity down here. here, and price jumps right back up. And also, if we was going to go back down, maybe on this gap here, we should have go back down from here, but as we can see, the price is still going up and down around here, so maybe this is not relevant, and maybe the price will go up. What else we can see here? So we have the buy side, the nearest buy side liquidity up here. This is the level that I'm watching. Like ICT. And this is the nearest sell side liquidity level on the 1 hour. Let's see on the 50 minutes how everything looks. And here we can see that we have pretty nice fair value gap here, down here, on the 15 minutes. So what I'm thinking right now is we have taken this sell side liquidity, and we have stops resting above this high, these relevant equal highs, and we have a fair value gap here with market structure shift, which is not absolutely clean, but I think that there is a possibility if the price comes back down back here energetically on the one of the events today, that we have a pretty big chance to see the price jump back up and take this buy side liquidity and maybe go up to the 4-hour fair value gap. So maybe something like this, maybe continuing up. But this is not in our interest, in my interest. I'm looking only for the clean moves. So let's see what is the market offering on the smaller levels, smaller time frames. Here also we can see that we have the fair value gap on the 5 minutes. And also we can see that the price started to build another equal highs here. So now we're watching this level also. And down here we have small level with these two equal lows, relevantly equal lows. So this is also aligning with our plan. So let's see what the price is starting to do. And let's mark up the New York Open. So the price is leaving these relevantly equal highs here. So we'll use that as our profit taking level if we're right, if everything is okay with the trade. And then as we can see on the market open, the price is starting to rally down and taking this sell side liquidity here and coming right here in our fair value gap. So if we are entering here, we can put our stop loss below the last wall before the starting of the uptrend on the 1 minute. And our take profit point will be above the closest clean move that we are having up here. So this is giving us almost 5R on this trade. And if we are not sure what's going to happen with is the fair value gap is still valid, we can wait a little bit and see if it's reacting like we're expecting. So on the first candle up, we can see that the price is starting to reverse, and maybe we can enter right here. So we have the stop loss will be on the same level because we're not sure if it is going to test the fair value gap again and maybe go some more on the downside. So the risk reward is 2.5 here, which is also a good risk reward. And let's see what is the price doing next. So here is the result of our trade. The take profit target is hit, and this is the trade that I wanted to share with you today. Now, unfortunately, I was away from my computer on the market open, and when I have returned, the price was already started to go up. And I take the trade a little bit late. But let me show you what the trade was like. So I bought it right here, up here on this candle, and my take profit level was just right above the relevantly equal highs that we have. So that was the trade that I wanted to share with you. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.